talk shots.
Always on time, gave you my baby. Okay guys, so I'm not the biggest morning person, so I tried my best to film this video. But the first thing that I do when I get up is check to see what time it is and I go back to bed. No, but for real, I really do sometimes go right back to bed. Then I get up and I get the eye breakers out of my eyes, and then I go on social media, of course. You guys can follow me if you don't already. And then after I've spent like 20 to 30 minutes on my phone, I finally get up and then I get a good stretch in. Stretching is really helpful, especially in the morning. It just helps me wake up because I don't like getting up in the morning. And then I make my bed just because I feel like making my bed just helps me start out my day and helps me to be productive throughout the rest of the day. I remember once upon a time I never made my bed, and now I have to make my bed. So after that, I just head into my bathroom, and the first thing that I do is use the bathroom like normal people do in the morning. If you don't use the bathroom in the morning, it's probably because you're not drinking enough water. So after I've used the bathroom, I just go to my sink and I wash my hands and I brush my teeth. And I usually brush my teeth half asleep. That's why my eyes are closed throughout most of this clip. So yeah, after I brush my teeth, I go ahead and start my skincare routine. A lot of you guys were asking me about my morning skincare, so here it is. I just start out cleansing with this La Roche-Posay Purifying Foaming Cleanser, and I really like it. They sell this brand at Target, and I've been using this cleanser for about a month. This bottle is so huge, but I tend to change up my morning cleanser like once a month, so this is just what I'm using right now. So after I pat my face dry after I've cleansed, I like to go in with my toner. And the toner that I like to use in the morning is the Body Shop Tea Tree Skin Clearing Mattifying Toner. And it's really good if you have oily skin because it controls your oils throughout the day. And I get this from Ulta. So while I let that dry, I just like to wipe up the water around my sink, and then I like to go in with my eye gel, and I really like to use the Olay Deep Hydrating Eye Gel underneath my eyes, and the smallest bit of this goes the longest way. So I put that underneath my eyes, and then after that I go in with my serum, and I like to use the Caudalie Vinyl Perfect Radiant Serum, and I've been using this for almost 2 years now, and it's amazing if you suffer from hyperpigmentation because it really helps get rid of your dark spots. So I like to use this in the morning, and I actually use it at night too. So I've been using this for quite some time, and it smells amazing too. And then after my serum, I like to go in with my moisturizer, and I like to use the Drunk Elephant B-Hydra Intensive Hydration Moisturizer, and I've been using this for over a year now. I used it in my skincare routine last year, but it was my nighttime one, and I just started using it during the day because it's more lightweight and it's like better for during the day. After my moisturizer, of course, I like to finish off with some sunscreen, and I love this Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40. It's so bomb if you have oily skin, or even if you just have like regular skin, because it's almost like a primer and it like blurs your pores, so it's pretty bomb. So after I'm done doing all that, I just grab whatever I had in my room from the night before and just head downstairs and get ready to make some breakfast. My breakfast usually varies. I just rotate between like the same like 3 or 4 meals. This day I just had some hash browns and some egg whites, and I'm just putting some olive oil in the pan. So this is the egg white brand that I like to use. I like to use All Whites or the Target brand. And then the hash browns that I like to eat sometimes are from Trader Joe's. This is not the healthiest, but I was just craving some hash browns this morning, so I just made some. And then I like to put some water on for tea. So I just like to steep that, and while my food is cooking and while the water is boiling, I like to take my daily vitamins. The first one is the Daily Cleanse ones, and those are the ones that help with my acne. A lot of people were asking me about these, and I get the Hum brand from Amazon or Sephora. And of course I take biotin, and I like to also take elderberry gummies. I just started taking these. They're pretty much like vitamin C, and they help you not to get sick. And then for tea in the morning, I like to drink green tea, and this is my favorite one, the super antioxidant one from Yogi. Yogi is like one of my favorite tea brands, and I got this mug from Home Goods. A lot of people always ask me where I got this mug from, so it's from Home Goods. And then I also had some of this Good Belly probiotic juice that morning. The blueberry acai is my favorite one. It's so good. So I like to drink this some mornings if I don't have a probiotic like yogurt or something. So yeah, that's my breakfast. So most days I'll just sit at the kitchen table while I eat my breakfast and watch some TV. And this day I watched some of Floribama Shore, and this show is freaking hilarious. It's pretty much like Jersey Shore but funnier because they're Southern. So that's probably me being biased, but this show is hilarious. I think this is season 2, so if you have not watched it, you should definitely check it out because they're hilarious. So after I'm done eating my breakfast, I just like to go back to the sink and clean up the dishes that I just used, or also clean up some dishes from the night before. So that's what I'm doing now. And then after that, I just head back upstairs, and then I get ready to put on some regular clothes and get out of these pajamas. And I usually just put on sweats and a comfortable shirt just because I work from home and I wasn't running any errands today. So yeah, this is what I like to use on my body. Of course, deodorant, lotion, and I like to put on some kind of like fresh perfume because I don't day shower. I prefer night showers because I sleep better. So let me know if you guys day shower or night shower, or if you do both. I just don't get up early enough to take morning showers. Here I'm just putting some oil on my ends. I just have my hair in these 2 braids right now because I didn't feel like doing another wash and go because I'm about to get ready to straighten my hair. But I do always put oil on my ends in the morning, and this is just like one of my favorite oils, the macadamia brand. I always get it from Ulta or TJ Maxx. It's bomb. So I'm pretty much done upstairs for like a few hours. Then I just head back downstairs into the office and I get ready to start my work day, which is pretty much editing. So I always have my water, and I just like to take my glasses off because they make my eyes hurt when I'm sitting at the computer because I'm nearsighted. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my morning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be doing more routine videos in the future. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.